Hey YouTube, it's Farmall 51 here. Alright, got a package in the mail, and it's something I ordered. Actually, it's only like two weeks ago, or 2 or 3, well, maybe 3 weeks ago, but, so I got the GoPro charging. But the international, there was some lawsuit or something with the gas caps and stuff, and they had to provide free gas caps. But you can go on there, and I'll see if I can put the link in the description where you can go get them. But all you have to do is put your serial number in, the make, model, and I think your address and stuff like that. So, but yeah. So, but anyway, they come in. So I ordered some for the 47 Cub, and one of the 140s I didn't have one on yet. It had a regular gas cap on it. Somebody must have switched it at the time. So anyway, ordered one, and it come today. So I'm gonna get you a knife out here. Get my carry with me every day. I love my weight. I apologize. I just got my phone here. I'm gonna sit you down. All right, we're back. All right. Anyway, I think I ordered another one for another tractor I got. I know they didn't have one, but I was really surprised that they come that early. I've heard a lot of people talk about that it took them, months to get it, if not, just a couple weeks or something. But this one here, it actually, like I say, I think it was right 2 to 3 weeks range, somewhere right in there that I ordered it. Let's see here. But these are the safety caps. Some people don't like these, and I've had no real issue with them. But they've got a lot more space in between the thumb and my finger there. Allows for that gas to slosh up and not slosh out, but still be vented. And a lot of times I've heard of people, tractors vapor locking, or something running rough, or they're about sucking the tank in almost, is because these little holes up here are clogged up. And that comes from a lot of that gas, your ethanol gas, because you see it in fact, that's on my gas can there. You can see that's that ethanol build up on it. But yeah, most of the original gas caps were like between my finger and my thumb here, about that size, and these here are more of a keep it from sloshing out and running down inside the tank, catching fire and all that. So comes with a neat little decal that I wouldn't suggest putting on your tractor if it was original, or if you had a restored tractor, I wouldn't suggest putting it on there. Let's see. All it says, I'll show you what it says. It's just a, you can read it, but that's not really an original sticker, I don't think. I'm gonna look at the 140s in a second here. Now this 140 was an original. I'll go ahead and turn the torch on. It doesn't have a, nasty, dusty, but it didn't have a, I don't think it has a gas cap or that sticker on it anywhere, like an original sticker. Oh, I believe, no, that's not it. But this tractor is the most original 140 that I've ever come across, as far as having everything on it untouched, unmutilated. So this is a good reference to go by. There's no sticker, and this is an original safety cap. You can see here, just like the ones I had out there a while ago. So you can put the sticker on it if you want. It's probably something where you don't have to, but it's not anyway. But anyway, I like my stuff original, and to look original, like it came from the factory. So anyway, that's the gas caps, and like I say, I'll put a link in the description, and you can get you one. They do keep track of them, so make sure just get your serial number, and like I say, fill it out and send it in. And I actually got one for the C there, and some of the Cub there. So I think all my tractors are covered now. So But anyway, thanks for watching.